Today we're going to learn how to make a small bobble and a regular bobble so that you can make cute little things like feet and spikes just like this. Hi guys, I'm Katie from Yarn Society and we're going to jump right into this tutorial. We're going to start with the small bobble first. You'll want to follow along with your pattern, whether it says to start in the front loop or the back loop. For this tutorial, we're just going to work through both loops. A little trick for the small bobble is to think of making 3 double crochets that you don't finish. Yarn over, we're going to place our hook into our stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now we're going to yarn over again. We're going to place our hook into that same stitch. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and we're going to yarn over and pull through just 2 loops again. Then we're going to yarn over, we're going to place that hook back through that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. At this point, we have 4 stitches on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 of those loops. From here, you would continue on with whatever your pattern says, but I'm just going to make a single crochet, and then you just want to remember to pop out your cute little bobble stitch. Moving on to the regular bobble, I think of this as 5 double crochets that I don't finish. Yarn over, we're going to place our hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over, this is our second time, back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through the stitch, this is our third time. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over for our 4th time, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 again. We're going to yarn over, it's our 5th time, we're going to go through that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we will have 6 loops on that hook. We're going to yarn over and go through all 6 loops. You'd follow your pattern from here. I'm just going to do a single crochet. Sometimes your bobble stitch is so big that it covers the stitch next to it. So make sure that you move that bobble over a bit just to make sure that you're working into the right stitch. From here, I'm just going to make a single crochet, and then you don't want to forget to pop your bobble stitch out. For a quick comparison, here is the small bobble. And then here's our regular bobble, so you can see the size difference on that. And there you go. Now that you're a master bobble maker, go ahead and watch this Pocket Dino video and put those bobbles into practice.